Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Honda Rebel 500 SE with ABS brakes. This is the one with the fork boots and the little mini fairing. Only 3,300 miles on this gorgeous showroom condition Rebel 500. Wait till you hear that exhaust system. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true. Only $69.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.